Hello everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to enable in-app camera on Telegram. This is my Telegram and I want to make a video recording. As you can see, I press on the video and it's asking me the Telegram needs camera and microphone access. So I can tap on settings and then to open my app information, and then I go to permissions. As you can see, I have permissions for all the things but no camera. So if I go to not allowed, see camera, I tap on camera and then you choose the option of allow only while using the app or ask every time. So any of these two give a camera access for this app. So when you throw that, go back and now you can easily make your video recording because you've given Telegram access to your camera. That is how. That's it. So that is how to enable in-app camera on Telegram. Thanks for watching.